In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a map chart in Power BI. By the end, you'll have an interactive map that instantly shows where your data lives around the world. And you'll understand the key choices that make it look clean and accurate. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI. Give it a moment to load the interface. Next, open your report file so you're working with the dataset you want to visualize. If your model already includes a field with country names or codes, you're in great shape. If not, make a note to add that later, because the map relies on a clear geographic field to place points correctly. On the right side of the screen, find the Visualizations pane. This is where all the chart types live. You'll see icons for bar charts, lines, and more. Look for the Map visual, which appears as a small globe with location markers. Click it once. Power BI will place a map placeholder on your report canvas. You can drag its corners to resize it so there's enough room to explore the data. Keeping the map selected as you work ensures your next choices apply to this visual. Now, go to Data. This is where you can view the tables and columns that feed your visuals. Take a quick look at your country column to confirm it's consistent. Full country names or standard codes tend to work best. Watch out for typos or mixed naming, like switching between USA and United States. Consistency helps Power BI recognize locations accurately and avoid mismatches. With the map still selected, click on Country in your Fields list. Checking that box tells Power BI to use this field as the location for the map. You should immediately see points appear across the map for each unique country in your data. You can pan and zoom to inspect different regions and hover over points to see basic tooltips tied to those locations. If a country doesn't appear where you expect, a common tip is to ensure the data category for that field is set to country/region. Clear, unambiguous country values usually resolve most mapping issues. Also, make sure the map visual is selected when you choose the field so it knows where to place it. That's it. You opened Power BI, loaded your report, chose the map visual, reviewed your data, and connected the country field to the map. You now have a geographic view that adds instant context to your report and makes it easier for your audience to see patterns by location.